What up guys, welcome to a new video, welcome back to my channel from the heart. I appreciate every subscriber, I appreciate every follower that has followed me from the start, and every like, every comment, every subscribe guys. I appreciate it from the heart because that motivates me to make better videos for you and really pushes me to make more video for you guys. So if you're new to this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and smash the like button if you enjoyed this by the end. Matter of fact, do it now. We're going to talk about the hottest marijuana penny stock of 2018. Now this stock I picked based on financials and growth, and you know I only go for companies that have shown growth and whatnot. Now the marijuana sector is booming. Oh, and by the way, I got a new software where I could actually put figures and pictures on top of this video, so it's gonna be better for you guys now. You're gonna have it, basically have something to look at while I do the talking. I don't want you just to listen to me and get bored. So I had the software for you guys to put pictures and whatnot regarding the specific company on the video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through the financial sheet, I'm going to go through basically the news surrounding it and any expansion it has to offer. Now this company is a marijuana stock. 6 months ago it was a penny stock trading at $5. Today it's trading at $22 a share. That is Canadian dollars because it's a Canadian company trading on the Canadian Stock Exchange. This company is called Aphria Inc. Aphria basically produces its own crops and basically produces its own marijuana oil to sell to the pharmaceutical sector. So the pharmaceutical sector can use that to basically treat patients with Alzheimer's and anxiety. So as you know, the marijuana sector is booming guys at the moment. There's more demand than supply, which means there's more demand for this oil and there's less people supplying this oil. There's less companies. Now that Canada has legalized marijuana, medical marijuana, we're going to see growth in that region. Medical marijuana is not useful and it's being used by patients, and more patients are getting that, you know, and Alzheimer's is growing. There hasn't been a cure to Alzheimer's just yet, so that is why marijuana is hot at the moment guys. What I'm going to do guys is I'm going to go through the financial sheet and I'm going to show you exactly why I picked this company, because the growth has been significant in the space of 6 months or 12 months. Now you're going to see this financials, you're going to see the sheet, and you're going to have a look at why I'm saying this. So Aphria Inc. guys, trading at $22 a share. Now that's a good, basically a good stock to go into, but wait for a pullback when buying, and remember, just remember, whatever I say, look at it as a biased view. Do your own research before making your own investment, because that way you can sleep at night knowing that you made the decision, not me. So yeah. Whatever I'm going to do basically here is basically dissect the company for you so you can go ahead and do your own research. So let's begin. Alright guys, so let's look at the financials. This is a quarterly report. So guys, you can see that the revenue is 8.5 million in November 2017. That's 62% increase from last year, which means last year in November 2016 the revenue was 2.5 million. Around that figure, 2.5 million or 3.5 million. In November 2017, 2 months ago, it's 8.5 million. That is a great jump. That's a big jump, guys, for a company like this. And we're gonna see more. Net income, 6.45 million, guys. That is 583% increase. Guys, when I look at companies, I look at growth. And I've taught you this before. When we want to dissect a company and look at value, the only thing we care about is growth, because that's going to attract investors. That's going to attract people to that company. So we look at growth in a company, guys. And I can see huge growth here. Opening income, okay. Net change in cash, so obviously that's the cash flow, guys. 77 million in May 2017. May 2017, guys, we have 77 million. Oh, sorry, that is May. That's November 2017. We have cash on hand. Net change in cash, basically that's the free cash flow, 77%. So look, this company has a lot of money to blow, and we can see what that company has been doing with that money, and I'm going to show you in the next clip exactly what that company has been doing with that money, the cash on hand or the net change in cash. Basically this free cash flow is something that they could do to give back to investors, buy back shares, or basically invest in other assets, and that's exactly what they're doing. They're investing in other assets. So let's have a look. So you can see that all the news there surrounded it. So basically Aphria buys Broken Coast Cannabis in 230 million stock and cash deal. So here's a big deal that just made 6 days ago. Then we have another one. Cannabis Weed announces information international supply agreement with Aphria. So guys, this is just 2 news of this. So they're doing more. If you have a look at what they're doing more. They're buying stakes in different companies, and we're growing their basically portfolio. And that's a company you need to be watching. Any company that is moving that fast is a dangerous company and could knock out all the suppliers, all the basically the competition on its way. So that stock is trading at $22 Canadian, guys, $22.32. Now let's have a look at what happened in a month's time. A month's time, it was, or 1 year, guys. Here we go. In November 2017, it was trading at $8. Okay. September 2017, it was trading at $6.74 Canadian. So you can see the big growth that is happening in this company, guys. As volatile, yes, it is volatile, and it basically is going in one trend, and it's an upward trend. However, you need to have a pullback before you buy it. That is a company you need to be watching. Maybe add to your portfolio. Maybe diversify within your portfolio. Marijuana penny stocks, marijuana stocks are booming. It's a booming industry at the moment, and the demand is huge for that company. And not just for that company, but for that basically products that they have to offer, which is cannabis oil. Now, guys, everything I say here needs to be looked at as a biased view. You need to do your own research, guys, when making decisions based on investments, and don't take this as investment advice, but I'm just telling you and giving you tips here that whatever there's growth in a company, that is a company that's going to attract investors, and that company is a company that has attracted investors, and we can see the reason why, and the price has reflected that exactly. $22.19 in the space of 6 months. That is amazing, guys. So make sure you consider that it could go up to 30 this year, guys. Yes, it could go up to 30, but at the moment, the target estimates by analysts was $22. But now, like I said, if there's demand for something, if there's demand for that stock, then that stock is going to shoot up in value. But yeah, do your research on that stock. I just want to show it to you guys, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave the like, the subscription, and the comments if you did.